I'm Craig Wortman. I am a clinical professor of entrepreneurship at Chicago Booth. I'm also a three-time entrepreneur. So currently I run a company called Sales Engine, which is a small sales consulting firm that helps companies build and tune their sales engine.
Today we had a talk with Craig, who explained to us what the difference was between salesperson and an entrepreneur. And we realized as a group that when we talk about the two different types of people, we really have a different connotation when their names come up.
I think what's different about Craig is that it's not really a lecture, it's more of a discussion, you know. You're really involved, you get to ask questions, and it's just like an experience that you can't have at home. It's not something that your teachers could provide. This is like a man who's been successful and he knows what he's doing, and so just being able to ask him questions, being able to learn from him is just such a tremendous experience.
The most satisfying thing to see with these students is just their curiosity. I mean, the questions, I enjoy this so much because these frameworks, these are the exact same frameworks we teach in the business school, and to see them struggle with those frameworks and then start to open their eyes, peel back the layers on business, ask really good, insightful questions, that is an absolute pleasure, because you never know exactly where the conversation is going to go, because you want to go where the students are most energetic and curious. But it's amazing how consistent it is to really understanding how do these businesses work and what can I take and absorb from those businesses to make myself better. That's the sort of running theme throughout.